A judicial letter to my president. Dear President, how are you doing? How are you cope in the office of your excellency? The reason I am wrote this letter to you in this ungodly hour is to let you know that I am care about you so much. I know you are confused, devastated and perhaps, and misplacing the president priority something that you are involved yourself into. I also know that you are not chop good food of 6 classes of food enough because of the stress and traumatized of the country that you are president yourself into. Come on, my excellency, what about your mental health? Exclamation, paragraph 1. Daddy, I want to use this medium of letter writing to tell you that all of us, your children, are very, very much happy in happiness. Yes, with the way that you are presidential also, the way that you take care of us, the manner of approach, the fuel, the dollar versus naira, the security of insecurity, the regulation and deregulation of governmental poor man, plus etc. Full stop. It is going to amaze you, sir, that all of us here are now living peacefully with the new neighbors of bandits that you are come to us. Because why? You love your neighbor as you love yourself to avoid the intolerant mother. You are. Daddy, we are also happy that we want to collect a pieces of our money from next year in the person of tax. We are very, very much happy. And we say in one voice that if the pieces of money you want to collect is not going to be enough, put hand in our account and to carry your money back. Thank you, sir. Sir, whenever you feel perhaps traumatized or perplexed, don't forget to sit down and take a bottle of SOP water to calm down your nerves. Yours faithfully, your secret admirer. You know I love you. Hey!